Hello, welcome back to my channel again. InitialOfEarn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel. Only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day.
Hello guys, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel with another video. Hope you are fine and doing very good. So first of all guys, if you're not subscribed my channel, go to the subscribe button and click the bell button for more notifications. You can also check out my latest videos I uploaded in my channel. You can check out at dogeads.top review is 6 hours ago. You can check it, the most promising video ever. So I don't want to waste your time more, so let's go to the topic. Today guys, we will talk about Dogecoin. If you don't know what is Dogecoin, go to my channel and check all the videos about Dogecoin. So today's video about dogeads.top. So it is it also like adbtc.top. So you can also earn Dogecoins by watching videos, by watching ads on the website. So if you're not registered on this website, just go to the video link, you will get that. And let's go. Okay, so here is the video guys. You can see all the information about the website. Get Dogecoin by viewing websites. There are 52 sites available and you can earn 5 point something Dogecoin. Advertise here. CPC start from 0.2 Doge. Okay, and website do not show inside iframe. So here is the strategy about advertisers. CPC start from 0.2. No minimum purchase required. Site from frame breaking can be promoted views only real cryptocurrency users. Okay, earners earn up to $100 per click. Affiliate program 15% from. So guys, if you want to know what is Dogecoin, here is the some instruction about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a worldwide cryptocurrency and digital payment system collected the decentralized digital currency as the system works without a central repository or single administrator. Okay, it was invented by an unknown person or group and released as open source software in 2013. The system is peer-to-peer and transactions take place between users directly without an intermediary. These transactions are verified by network nodes and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. Okay, so on Dogecoins, here you can get free Dogecoin in this website. This website is not a Dogecoin poster. Dogecoin mining even better than that. Just by viewing website, you can get Dogecoin for free. Mostly Dogecoin sites online advertising is evolving. Now you can just earn Bitcoin by viewing website. Okay, so and then withdraw it to your Dogecoin wallet. Volume of Dogecoin transaction now over 15 million USD daily and still growing. You can join here and start getting Dogecoin here easily. Okay, so here is the latest deposit. As you can see, later visual, you can see view more. By clicking this view more. So if you're not yet registered, go to my video description. You will find that the link is the dogeads.top. Just click on sign in if you are registered. So I'm already registered, so I just simply click on login and we have to fill the captcha where we pay. Okay, just click on stay logged. Okay, So guys, as you can see, here is my balance. In my main balance, advertising balance is 0 because I am not a publisher, so I don't need to in advertising balance. So here is one Dogecoin price, and the first option is withdraw. So if you click on withdraw, so here is, sorry, you must have at least 200 Dogecoins in your balance to withdraw to your Dogecoin address. Okay, so if you click on referral system, so as you can see, I just referred one person. So share your referral URL and earn 20% from your more TV time of your referral coming soon. Okay, 15% from task service offers of your referral, 10% from surfing of your referral, 7% from your referral purchase. Your affiliate link is okay. So the next option is change wallet. Okay, so guys, you can change your wallet address here. Just clicking on this, click here to get a code to change your wallet. They will send a code on your email. You have to put there, and you can change by clicking on this change wallet. Okay, so third option is clear. So the next option is earn. So first option in business context, you don't need to click on this. So if you want to earn free Dogecoin, you have to click on this self ads button. Okay, so if you click on this, how to work. Okay, so here is the work, is very simple. Just click on serve ads, and here are some ads. You can see there are 36 sites available, and you can earn 3.62 Dogecoins. Okay, so the method is only just have to click here to view. Okay, just wait for this time, it's running out, you have to wait for it. And you can also check out the latest website. Okay, so here's speed hacking 1 second, 0 second, and here is some simple captcha. You have to put that digits. Okay, 3418. Okay, just simply click on submit, and your Dogecoin added to your balance. Okay, here is my 71.2 Dogecoin. If I click on reload my page, so as you can see 71.23, and I click here to view again. Okay, just close it and wait for times running out. It's very simple work, guys, and Dogecoin price, as you can see, is almost increasing. If you go to this website Payeer.com, so here is the Dogecoin price. Is a 1000k is equal to 2.65 dollar. Okay, US dollar. So I just simply close the website and fill the captcha again, 73. Okay, just simply click on submit, and as you can see, guys, I have 71.23 Dogecoin, and if I click on submit, I will get some Doge more. Okay, so here is 71.33 Dogecoin now. Okay, so you can also you have to watch all of the ads from here. Here's 35, there was 37, and now 35 sites available. Okay, so if you click on Dodge links, just click, here is two only links available, watch. Okay, so here is the reward 0.1 and 0.0 free reward. Okay, Dogecoin. So just simply click on the link. You have to watch all the ad. Okay, just wait for 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7, 6, 5, 4 3 2 1. Okay, so here's the captcha again, 3693. Just simply submit button. Okay, so here's the 0.1 Dogecoin. So simply close the air and you will see this is light. This is almost get lighter than before. Okay, so again you have to click on the other side. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, Dogecoin is very if I tell you further about Dogecoin is very famous cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. As you can see, the Bitcoin price is more increasing and increasing day by day. So Dogecoin is also a very best future currency. So you have to, it is the rate, the price of Dogecoin is very low. So also the value of Dogecoin is very best. Okay, you can earn more Dogecoin because the price is too low. So you have to, I just recommended you the Dogecoin. You have to earn free because it's a free site. So wait for 22 seconds now. 20 19 18. Okay, is it 5 seconds? 4 3 2 1. And again you have to put the captcha 8570. Okay, just click on submit and you will get success 0.03 Dogecoin added to your balance. Okay, if you click on reload you can see the balance is increasing. Okay, so here is some surveys. You can also go to surveys if available, take a survey, and if you click on this you will get 59 Dogecoin, and if you click on this 148 Dogecoin. Okay, so guys, this is the best site. Okay, just simply click on task. Here is some task you have to complete. So actually there is no task at this time. You have to click on this offers. Okay, here is some offers you have to complete, so you can earn many Dogecoin, guys. So here is the advertise. If you want to advertise your website, here is the advertise button. You can give your website link in this start new campaign. Okay, so is the Doge link history. If you click on history you can watch your all the history. Reference plus. Okay, so if you click on this latest withdrawal, okay, here is some latest withdrawal 266 Dogecoin. And if you click on commission history, here is my commission history. Okay, as you can see, and here's referral shop. Okay, you can also buy some referral if you want to earn more, but you have to invest first. So I don't want to recommend you this option. Just simply go to this option, surf at Doge link, surveys, tasks and offers. Okay, so I personally recommend you just have to daily watch these two options. Okay, surf ad and Doge links. So guys, hope you guys watching this video. Most of you liking my video, and also give me your feedback in the comment section. So I will be so happy when you messaging me and ask me a question. So thank you guys, please like me, share me, and comment me. Have a good day. Bye bye.